Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Stuck deciding between the Nikon AFS-DX 55-300mm and the AFS VR Micro-NIKKOR 105mm? This is the telephoto versus macro lens showdown for Nikon shooters.
The 55-300mm does seem like a versatile option, but is it truly sharp at 300mm, or does it get soft? That's always my worry with zoom lenses.
Good question. It's surprisingly decent, especially for the price. Think capturing wildlife at a distance, or getting those soccer game shots without creeping onto the field. Plus, that VR2 vibration reduction gives you about 4 stops of stabilization, huge for handheld shooting.
Now, the 105mm Micro-NIKKOR, that's a different animal altogether. It's a bit heavier at 1.74 pounds, but it's built for extreme close-up work. Is it worth the extra weight?
Absolutely. Let's break down what makes these lenses so different and which one might be right for you. That 55-300mm zoom range is its superpower. Imagine grabbing a wide landscape at 55mm and then instantly zooming in to 300mm to capture a bird perched on a distant branch. The downside? Its maximum aperture is f/4.5 to 5.6, so you'll need decent light, or bump up that ISO.
The 105mm macro, though, is all about asterisk detail. We're talking about a 1-to-1 magnification ratio, revealing the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wing or the delicate structure of a snowflake. But it's a fixed 105mm focal length, so you need to physically move to adjust your framing.
Right, and both have vibration reduction, but it's optimized for their specific uses. The 55-300mm VR helps steady those long-distance shots, while the 105mm VR combats shake at those super close macro distances.
Good point. And the macro lens boasts a silent wave motor for autofocus. Is that just marketing hype, or does it really make a difference?
It's crucial for macro work. The SWM provides fast, accurate, and quiet autofocus. You don't want to scare away that bee you're trying to photograph. Plus, it has internal focusing, so the lens doesn't extend while focusing, which is great for getting really close.
Okay. So it boils down to your photographic priorities. If you crave versatility and reach, the 55-300mm is your workhorse. But if you're obsessed with capturing the minute details of the world, the 105mm Micro-NIKKOR is the clear winner.
Exactly. If you're an adventurous photographer who wants to capture a wide range of subjects, from landscapes to wildlife, the lightweight and versatile 55-300mm is a solid choice. But if you're a detail-oriented artist who's passionate about the tiny wonders of the world, the tack-sharp 105mm Micro-NIKKOR will open up a whole new world. Either way, you're getting into the Nikon ecosystem with some great glass. Happy shooting, and may your focus be sharp. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.